In this video, I'm going to show you how to react to a snap on Snapchat app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then swipe to the right to open up your chats list. Then open up a conversation and then find a message that you want to make a snap with and just hold down on that message and hit on snap reply. It opens up your camera with that Snapchat widget that contains that message, and now you can take a picture. And also now you can add here some effects, some music. You can cut this image if you want, and also you can scale or rotate that snap widget. You can move it around and place it wherever you want, and you can do here whatever you want. And once you're done, just hit right here at arrow icon and then send this snap reply to a recipient. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.